Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Maria. So tahun ni 2026, umur saya 23, and in 10 years maybe I will be a mother of 2 maybe, and masa tu mungkin dah ada kereta S70. Nak S70 juga. Ya Allah. Kalau tak dapat S70 maybe ada kereta lain lah kot. Itu je. So wish for korang, I wish semoga korang berjaya. Jangan lupa aku. If someday, one day aku yang pergi dulu, aku harap korang maafkan aku. Aku minta maaf selama ni banyak buat silap ke, banyak salah, banyak buat korang terasa hati dengan aku. Aku minta maaf. And untuk Kemah, good luck untuk 1 sem lagi, and good luck untuk intern nanti. Korang pun semua good luck intern. Itu je.
Hai, nama saya Zumat Yerisha. Dah macam Prizdan kan. So, in 10 years, I will be a housewife with 1 kid. I don't know either is it boy or girl. And maybe saya insyaAllah saya akan jadi employee banker. Akan bekerja di bank lah. So, saya wish untuk korang semoga selamat maju jaya untuk intern, dan mungkin kita takkan jumpa lagi sebab saya dah berada di Johor dan akan menetap di Johor. Tapi kalau korang nak datang Johor, boleh roja-roja, okay? So, selamat maju jaya lah, and sarangnya.
Hi everyone. So in the next 10 years, aku harap aku dah ada family and happy lah with my family. Aku harap juga yang walaupun lagi 10 tahun, kita still contact each other and tak putus contact. Harap kita boleh keluar lah setiap tahun sebab aku actually masuk degree ni, aku tak sangka yang aku boleh ada kawan lagi-lagi seramai ni. Sebab aku rasa diri aku daripada dulu macam bukan orang yang first yang rapat, yang akan pergi rapat dengan orang. Tapi bila makin dah lama degree ni, kita dah kawan beramai-ramai macam ni kan. So sepanjang degree ni memang banyak benda yang stress kan, macam overwhelming apa semua. Tapi aku rasa degree ni macam lagi best, lagi enjoyable sebab ada korang. Tapi serius, sebab macam at least kita ada penguat lah untuk hadapi benda-benda yang mencabar kan. Lepas tu jomlah jumpa setiap tahun. Kalau boleh tak nak lah terus macam hilang semua. Nanti kalau aku kahwin, datanglah tau. Kalau boleh bawa plus one. Tu je kot. Bye bye.
Okay, Tess. Alright. In the next 10 years, I would love to see myself maybe in the industry of entertainment lah. I would love to people can see me on the screen, big screen. Maybe by that time I already married to someone from Kuliah of Engineering. I don't know, but what else? Or maybe waktu tu kita dah expecting 1 kid, or maybe I'm a mom of 1, 3 max. And then I think waktu tu kita dah ada stable life lah. And I never imagined myself as a single woman in the next 10 years. I would love to see myself as someone that is so successful, positive, resilient, and also someone that can make people feel so loved by me. And I would love to see each of 10 faces that I see today in the next 10 years sharing the same humor, jokes, happiness, and also in another version of us. I really love my degree journey and I would love to cherish it forever. So yeah, that is what I see myself in the 10 years ahead. Maybe what to do, kita dah jadi artis world famous celebrity macam Fazura. I don't know. Okay, tu je. Bye.
Okay. So maybe in 10 years I will be traveling more. Maybe I will be in Australia or maybe I will be in Switzerland. But of course, I'm looking forward to skydiving in Australia, insyaAllah. And also in 10 years, insyaAllah, I will get my master. Either I'll be studying in Malaysia or overseas. We will see. But I will make sure that I will get that master. And if I get the chance, maybe I will pursue my PhD. But the thing that I'm looking forward to is like I want to live life to the fullest, and I want to do adventurous things. So I'm hoping that I get to skydiving maybe either in Thailand or Australia lah, sebab benda tu Australia paling best. Or even if not skydiving, maybe macam paragliding tu. Tapi something adventurous, we will see about that. And maybe I will, insyaAllah, and maybe this time, during that time, I met the love of my life. But married tu lasting lah. Cuma aku harap I'm hoping that I get to know someone during that 10 years, insyaAllah. And if I met that someone, if I meet that someone, and I hope that he's the one, even though kita tak tahu he's the one ke tak, tapi kita tengok siapa yang akan kahwin dulu. Kita tengok siapa yang kahwin dulu. Cuba, yeah, maybe Dr. Insyirah. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay, hi, Akmal here. Bapa, cringe gila sia. Okay, so harapnya tak dengar lah bunyi-bunyi sekarang ni sebab ada bunyi apa benda tak tahulah. Okay, sebenarnya it's a bit emotional lah nak cakap because hari ni I gather with my friends yang will be graduating soon, insyaAllah, by the end of this year. But before I jump into my wish in 10 years, I just want to wish the very best for my friends, untuk Maria, untuk Amal, Zu, Juma, Iza, Kay, Fatin dan Shira. I hope that I won't miss anyone. I mean like I rasa semua I dah sebut kot. Juma, dah sebut belum Juma? Sorry Juma, if you watching this, ke Juma dah sebut? Wait, aku confused. Aku harap aku tak ada miss apa-apa lah. Okay, so I just want to wish the very best for them for their internship, and congratulations for completing your journey. I believe that it's not easy. Bukan senang kita nak habiskan 4 years study kan, banyak. Sebab I sendiri witness macam mana struggle-nya diorang untuk sampai ke tahap ni. And of course I learn a lot from them. Dan emosi lah cakap pasal ni, sebab nanti nak naik SEM baru, it will be just me and my other new friends. They will no longer be here in IIUM. Jadi aku pun all the best, and semoga dipermudahkan perjalanan untuk have a your new chapter, ditemukan dengan orang-orang yang baik, dan I've been so much fun I've had so much fun being friends with all of you. Jadi kalau korang free nanti datanglah UIA, visit me. Okay, so back to the purpose of doing this video, basically untuk wish in 10 years lah kan. So in 10 years I really hope that I can have something yang
I boleh banggakan. I will have much more things that I can achieve, and I will be looking back at this video and cakap, Akmal, you did it. Hey, sorry dah kalau cringe, tapi that's my wish lah. I will have a career yang I nak, perjalanan hidup yang Allah permudahkan, sebab there's a lot of things that I have to deal with at the moment, but I believe at the end they must all of this will be worth it lah. Better career, dikelilingi orang-orang yang baik, ada benda yang boleh dibanggakan lah. Jadi that's my wish lah in 10 years. Yeah, macam that's the only thing that I can think of at the moment dalam 10 tahun, sebab and yang paling penting, I might not be looking like this anymore. Mungkin lagi cantik, who knows. Bapa ada cringe ya. Okay, tapi that's the thing lah. Macam yeah, awkward lah pula. So that's it kot. Stay safe untuk kawan-kawan saya. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay young and beautiful. All the best, and congratulations for completing your degree. And nanti korang konvo kemana datang. Okay, bye bye, ciao.
So hi, I'm Iza. So in 10 years, I hope that I am financially stable enough so that I can give back to my parents and also spoil them a bit lah. And since by that time dah umur 33, so I really hope that I dah kahwin so that I can go travelling around the world with the love of my life. But if time tu tak jumpa jodoh lagi, it's okay. I think I can go travel with my friends instead. And also I really hope that I will working on something that I genuinely love and living my life to the fullest. Lepas tu macam I also hope that time tu I dah berduit and I can buy anything that I want without looking at the price tag. Lepas tu my wish, I hope that our friendship akan kekal lah sampai bila-bila, even though time tu of course kita akan ada life masing-masing and also ada family masing-masing, but I hope that we can still be friends and maybe lepak with each other so that we can keep up with our life update, something like that lah. So yeah, please don't forget about me, okay? So see you guys in 10 years. Bye.
Test. So hi. So my name is Karina, and now I am 23 years old in my 4th year, 2nd semester. Also is my last semester. So in 10 years, saya berharap saya dah dapat master, dah dapat secure master dekat luar negara. Amin. And then saya dah dapat secure job and saya berduit. And paling penting dah kahwin and dah ada anak, at least seorang lah. And I hope saya dapat banyak kemudahan dalam hidup, dan semoga in 10 years pun saya dapat melihat kawan-kawan saya berjaya ikut path yang diorang nak and diorang pilih. And I hope that ramai juga yang dah berkahwin in 10 years and ramai yang dah berjaya. And then for me, I hope yang in 10 years kita boleh jumpa lagi and masih lagi bercakap, boleh lepak together, because now kita akan berpisah jauh, semua orang dah ada haluan masing-masing. So I hope in 10 years we are still 20 years old even though umur dah 33. So untuk korang, I wish you all the best for your life. And Tanya, because you survived this degree journey, I know it's not easy, and I hope that our friendship berkekalan hingga jannah. Bye.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Fatin. So 10 years later, I hope
I can be financially stable. I have a stable career so that I can travel around the world. And satu benda yang saya target, at least tahun tu sekali saya dapat travel negara yang berlainan lah. And one thing yang saya pasti, 10 years later saya still tak kahwin lagi ya. So I want to be someone yang my family can rely on me lah, sebab saya kan anak sulung. So saya nak bawa dia orang pergi travel, bawa pergi umrah. Sebab tu lah saya harap saya dapat jadi someone yang financially stable, so that saya boleh bawa dia orang ke mana-mana. Okay lah, tu je. Bye.
Saya dah record. In 10 years, saya harap kita masih macam ni, kita masih kawan, kita masih muda, remaja dan segala-galanya. Untuk kawan-kawan saya harap semua berjaya, semua ada family yang happy, semua ada kerja yang mantap, yang best semualah. And tak boleh sedih sikit. And terima kasih semua sebab dah jadi kawan saya. Dah jadi kawan saya lah. Terima kasih untuk semuanya, untuk waktu belajar ke, waktu main ke, waktu apa-apa je. Saya tak sangka kita dah habis sebenarnya. Saya macam macam tu lah. So saya harap kita tak habis kat sini. Saya harap nanti kita boleh jumpa lagi. Dan kalau kahwin jemput, bye, saya dah tak boleh bercakap, nangis.